Story time. Today I'll be talking about that time when I was in university where everything was just not going the right way. I was going through hard time at home, at school, and God came through for me. Yeah, if you want to hear what happened, if you want to hear the juice of it all, please watch this video from beginning to the end, and I'll be sharing how God came through for me during that difficult times, right? So I'll start with the story. I was in university at that time, and I was in, I think, 300 level going to 400 level. I was going through a lot at that time. That was when I lost my dad. And see, to be sincere with you, it felt like everything was over. It felt like the world was over because I was just, my head was everywhere. I was thinking, how am I going to go through my final year? How am I going to pay for my project? I was just there trying to, like, in my head, even everyone who sees me at that time, I would just try to smile, but everything was just going wrong with me. I didn't tell anyone. And I had a friend, shout out to Ezekiel. I had a friend back then who worked in the school where I was in, and it runs an engineering shop. Yes, which job is as a cyber cafe. So I go there every afternoon, even in the morning, like to just stay there. And seriously, this guy is a very good person because I lost my dad before going to 400 level, so I couldn't get a personal laptop to use for my project work in school. So I had to use his computer to do my project. Like, I had to use this computer to do my project, like everything from start to finish. Nigerian students, you know what it is like to do your project, right? So yeah, before I digressed, so there was a day I was just going through a lot, and I was just there. I was tired. I had given up. Yes, I had given up already because I was like, what good will come out of this? What good will come out of what I'm going through? Then these people came to our school, UBA, United Bank of Africa. They came to our school, and my university at that time, University of Benin. Shout out, University. So yeah, at that time, I was just there at Ezekiel's shop, trying to think about my life. Then these people came around. They were like, "Oh, we are having a promo. Like, I don't know if there's a promo or something like that. But he said, oh, we're having this thing, and if we register with us, if you register for a free account with us, you just have to deposit 2,000 naira in the account. Then you'll be qualified for a raffle draw." And I don't know where that energy came. I don't know where that idea came. I just feel like to just God, and because he just wanted to tell me that he's not done with me yet. So I just like, okay, I didn't have a dime on me, right? I didn't have a dime on me. I didn't even eat in that day, I guess. And I just I just like, okay, can I do this thing? But where would I get money? So I went to Ezekiel, please borrow me 2K. I was like, Ezekiel, please borrow me 2K. I want to open an account. These people all promised me that if I open an account with them and I deposit 2,000 naira, at the end of maybe a day or two, I'll be able to get my 2,000 naira back and still have my account intact. So I said, okay, Ezekiel, please borrow me 2,000 naira, and I will return the money to you tomorrow. So he said, okay, no problem. So he gave me 2,000 naira. I went to open the free account with UBA. God, it was crazy, right? But I feel like to just see God is so good. The truth is, God will never leave His children. He will never leave you. If you're going through a lot of difficult time right now, He will not leave you. He says, "I will not leave you. I will not forsake you." Right? So God is always with you, right? So I just went to meet these people. I opened an account to them. I deposited the 2,000 naira in the account. Then they said, "Oh, you have qualified for a raffle draw." So I said, "Oh, by this little time, come to or two." Universe student, if you are there, I know or two now. You know or two. So we went to or two, the front of or two, right? And when we got there, they're already set up and they're already doing the raffle draw. So I was just there. See, believe me, even though I did this thing, it didn't make sense to me. Like, Emily. But I feel like Even in that point when I had lost hope, I still felt like, God, if you can do this for me, it will show me that you're still with me. It will show me that you still care about me. Like that was what was in my mind. Even though I was just tired, I was exhausted, I was overwhelmed, I was just, I don't know, I was just out of like everything was just on my head like this. So yeah, and I went there and we were calling people because at the raffle draw there were a lot of prizes to be won. There were backpack, there were water bottle, there were a lot of things. Then the highest prize was the freezer, deep freezer, and no bedside freezer, right? So I was just there, God. I was like, God, like I was like, there's nothing to lose if I don't win, I don't win, right? Because I will still get my 2,000 naira back. I'll still pay Ezekiel. So like they called the first person, the third person, like they called they start with the least gift one, and they called the person who won the water bottle, they called the person who won the backpack, and when it was time for them to call the person who won the bedside freezer, I just heard my name. Oh my god. Like I just heard my name, I was like, ah. I just went up and they're like, wait. Are you sure you're the person? I am the one. It is my name. I went up there. Like I will leave the picture of the bedside freezer in the video here in the video. Like I still have the bedside freezer. Like I just a testament. Like when I see it, I see that. See, God will never leave His children hanging. He will not leave you hanging. Like what are you going through that you've given up, you're saying it's over, it's too late, there is no way out of this. See, God, are you talking about God, this God that makes way where there seems to be no way? If that's the God you're talking about, then I will tell you that it is not over until it is over. And it is never over for us as children. So do not give up. Like that day, I was so I didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I should dance. I was just so happy. The fact that God showed me at that point in time that see, I am still here for you. I am here for you. I am, no matter what you're going through right now, I am still God over your life. I am still your provider. I am still your everything. Like it just showed me that He cares about me. He still cares about me. I never stopped caring about me. And the fact that it just like I was so overwhelmed that day. I was so excited. And you know that I think a day after I went to withdraw Ezekiel's money, I gave it back to like look at that crazy act of faith. Like I didn't even know it was faith at the beginning because I was like, let me just try this thing. I don't know. Like God is so amazing. This is just to cheer you up. This is just to encourage you in the Lord that do not give up on whatever is going wrong with you right now. See, just know that God is there for you. He's working in ways that you cannot see to make things work for you. Right? So He will make all grace to abound unto you in all things, right? So please do not give up on God because He will never give up on you. Guys, if you found this video helpful and encouraging, please kindly like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to if you liked it, also drop a comment for me, please. And I would like to hear from you. Were there times that God came through for you, even at when you think that everything was over, all hope were lost? Please, I would like to hear from you. Kindly drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video linked here.